In this video, I will show you how to assign points to your OWL test. Points should be the very last step after you put all the items and sections on your test. It is also important that grouping and randomization is set up the way you want first. If you make subsequent changes to your test content, you will need to revisit the points editor. Let's get started with a simple example. Section 1 of this test has 2 items. Section 2 is picking one from 2 possible items. So each test taker will receive points for 3 questions. The points editor is found here. I recommend that you use these controls to make the editor easier to use. They toggle on and off the fields for test, section set, section, item set, and item. Because there's randomization on my test, I'm going to work with sets, so I will hide the fields at the individual section and item levels. Now you can see more clearly that the examinee will be awarded points for 3 tasks in 2 sections. There are a few commands to speed up your work. These buttons quickly distribute your test points. First, set the overall test points. Let's leave them at 100. Click Distribute by Items. The result, each item set gets 1/3 of the points. Click Distribute by Sections, and each of the 2 section sets gets 1/2 the points. This command will quickly set all of the items to 1 point. This is a good way to reset so that all item sets have an equal weight. Auto propagation means that OWL will do the math for you. We highly recommend that you leave this turned on. Otherwise, you could accidentally do something like 4 plus 2 equals 42. Whatever way you think about testing points, you can work with this editor. For example, if you want the one essay section to be worth twice all the other sections combined, change the section weights. Then type in the total test points and OWL will distribute them for you. Or you can set the points at the individual item set level. I'll make all the jumble questions worth 2 points and the essay worth 10. Now OWL will calculate your total test points of 14. Let's say you like those point weights, but you want your entire test to be worth 100 points. Now, the individual item points are no longer nice round numbers, but don't panic. OWL does all that math for you. Always click OK to capture your changes. And remember, please make points the last step in building your test. Thank you for watching this video.